Hey everybody, Coach Clint here. The Ripstick was invented by General Marvin Gatlin and is now being currently successfully marketed by a gentleman by the name of Shuaib Islaam, marketing genius. He's making a ton of money. If you want to get the original, look in the description. I'll leave a link and you can go get his Ripstick. Me, I decided to make one for 10 bucks. And if you wait to the end of the video, I'm going to put up a thumbnail. You can click on the thumbnail. It'll take you to a video, show you how to make your own Ripstick for 10 bucks. Okay, so I'm going to show you a very quick, effective bicep workout with my do-it-yourself Ripstick. And first, we're going to start with clips. Now, clips is when you move your stick in and out. Now, you could do your clips at arm's length, but I've decided to do them up by my chest because it seems like I'm getting more torque in my biceps and triceps, more time under tension. So we're going to start with 10 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 10 hammer curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to hold open for 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to rest for 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to do 8 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You guessed it, 8 hammer curls. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold open for 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to rest for 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 hammer curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to hold open for 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And rest for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 curls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold open for 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And rest for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2. 1, 2. 2 curls. 1, 2. Hold them for 2. 1, 2. Okay, now we're going to take 30 seconds rest. Okay, after our 30-second break, we're going to do the same thing we just did, except we're going to start with 1 and go up to 9 by 2. So here we go. 1 clip and 1 curl. Hold for 1. Rest 1 second. 1, 2, 3. 3 hammer curls. 1, 2, 3. Hold for 1, 2, 3. Rest for 1, 2, 3. Now 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Curl for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold open for 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Curl for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold open for 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Curl for 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold open for 9. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we're done with that one. Are you looking for a good pre-workout, or maybe you just need energy for housework, shopping, or yard work? Try Saba Ace, clinically tested with Colon X3 Plus for clean energy, focus, and fat burning. Get yours today, link in the description. Okay, next we're gonna do a concentration curl. And so what I need you to do is we're gonna do the left hand first. So put your left hand in between the two sticks, palms up, and I want you to put your right hand in between, palms down. And you're gonna find that you're gonna get torque on both your triceps and your biceps. So I want you to wedge your left elbow here against your hip, put your other elbow here against your side, and then we're just gonna start the curl. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're gonna push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want you to hold at arm's length. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're gonna rest for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to press for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to hold for 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You rest 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to curl for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to hold for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to rest for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2. 1, 2. 2 presses. 1, 2. Hold for 2. 1, 2. Now we're going to rest for 30 seconds. Then repeat the sequence 1 up to 9 by 2s. Same curl, left arm. For the sake of time, we're going to move on to the right. Okay, same thing, concentration curl, right arm now. Right arm palm up in between the sticks. Left hand palm down, right? Right elbow against the side, left elbow against the side. And we're gonna curl for 10. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, keep the left hand still. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Press for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold for 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 seconds rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, incorporate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and press for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold for 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8 seconds rest. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold for 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And rest for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Curl for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Curl for 2. 1, 2. 2 presses. 1, 2. Hold for 2. 1, 2. Then you're gonna rest for 30 seconds and do the same thing. 1 up to 9 by 2s. All right, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this thumbnail right here, and it will take you to a video to show you how to make your own ripstick for 10 bucks. That's it. That's all. See you next time.